In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bottle of water in Minecraft. So every potion that you make in Minecraft needs a bottle of water as the base ingredient, so it's very useful to know. So the first thing you need to do is get 3 pieces of sand and take it to a furnace and smelt it. Okay, so now all 3 pieces of sand have been smelted. I'm going to take these to a crafting table and I'm going to place them in a pattern like this. And that's going to give me 3 glass bottles. Now with these glass bottles, you can fill them up by going to a water source and right clicking. So I've got some water in my cauldron here, so if I right click on it, that'll fill it up. Okay, I've got no more in there, so I've got a little water source here. So you can just right click on that as well. And there you go, filled up the bottles of water. So these don't really do much unless you brew them, but you can drink them if you want to, or you can fill up your cauldron with them. But yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching the video. I'll be posting some potion recipes soon, so subscribe.